Just to recap, Part 1 covered trip creation, Part 2 covered adding new sites to your trip, and Part 3 will now cover trip editing and customization options within your existing trips. The following tutorial is designed to give additional information for an already existing trip with sites already populated. Please refer to Parts 1 and 2 for information on setting up a new trip and then adding sites to that trip. First, access your trips from the Trip tab in the center at the bottom of the page. Then tap your preferred trip to start editing. At the top of your trip, below the initial description, you will see a button labeled Trip Options. Tap this to open the menu. There are several options in this menu, including share and collaboration options, but these will be covered in a later video. Today, we will look at the core editing functions. First, tap Edit Trip Details to modify your trip's name, description, trip dates, cover photo, and theme color. Simply tap and edit any field you would like to change, then tap Save in the top right corner to return to your main menu. From this menu, you can also choose to delete a trip you are no longer interested in planning. Simply tap Delete Trip, then Yes to confirm or No to cancel. From the main trip menu, you can tap to select and expand the details on any site in your trip. This will open a summary information view of the site, including street address at the top of the page. Below the site name, you will see the option to view full site listing if you would like to see the site in full detail, including contact page, get directions, etc. Tap the X button in the top left to close the full site listing and return to your trip. Below the site details, you will see arrival and departure dates for this site. Simply tap the box to open the date edit options and select your arrival and departure dates from the scroll wheel. Then tap Save in the top right to confirm the date set. Once a date range is selected, the trip planner will then also offer the option to navigate here. Please refer to the relevant tutorial for expanded information on this option. Below the arrival and departure dates, you can choose to add a photo to this site to help record your adventures. Please note that these images are only available for you and your trip collaborators. These photos are not submitted as content for the site's listing, but rather for your personal images related to your trip. After tapping the Add a Photo section, you can choose to add a photo from your device's library or open your camera for use when on site at the location. You can select to add more than one photo at a time. Simply make your selection from your library images, then tap Close in the top left to complete your current selection, or tap Add New in the top right corner to add additional photos. You will be prompted to upload your images to the selected site if you have not previously chosen to do so. Choose Yes if you would like to add new photos for other users to see when viewing the site listing, or choose I'll do it later if you are not ready to upload any images currently. Below the photo selection, there is an option to add a note, memory, or journal entry. Simply tap the button and add any notes you would like to your trip stay, then tap Save or Delete in the top right corner to apply your changes. To modify any notes, simply click the Tap to Edit button and make changes accordingly. Tap Save or Delete in the top right corner to confirm your changes. Below the Notes section, you and trip collaborators can also leave comments about your stay and images, etc. Please note that you can only leave one note or journal entry per listing, but you can leave as many comments as you like. At the bottom of the page, there is a quick link through to leave a review for any site within your trip. Simply tap the button and follow the prompts to submit your review. Tap the back arrow in the top left to return to the main trip planner menu. Once back in the list view of your trip, you will now see any submitted dates for your site listed in the description. To the right side of the site is a small down arrow. Tapping this will expand the information for the listing and display how many photos or notes are available for the site. Tap again to close the expanded information. If you would like to adjust the sequence of sites in your trip and also therefore the route of your stay, simply press and hold your finger on the site you wish to adjust. The screen will darken and highlight the site selected with a cross-directional arrow. You can then simply drag and drop the site to its preferred sequence in your list. This will replot the site's route accordingly. Please note that modifying the site sequence will reset the arrival and departure dates to ensure there are no conflicts in your trip dates after reordering. All notes, images and comments will stay in place, however. You will now see the route for the trip adjusted as per the changed sequence of sites in your trip, either by the map view within the trip planner or via the trip planner route view on your main Explore tab map. Please refer to the earlier tutorials for more details on the route display options. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful. Happy travels!